Is this thing on? I can't tell, 'cause you never reply. They home gone, am I late? Did I miss the invite? Maybe it's me, I can't tell, 'cause I ran out of time. Is this thing on? I can't tell, 'cause you never reply. Where did you go? Was that you that just drove past the house? And is it me that they're laughing at when I step out? Maybe I'm paranoid.
Hi guys, good morning. So it's 5:20 a.m. and now we're on the way to Katmon campsite. Celebration ng birthday ni JC. We're with Ella and Kune. Pero magpapalitan pa ng kotse mamaya. And Stisha girl. Tapos si birthday boy pala. Well, birthday boy. Tisha. Ayan. Tisha, hi! So ang kasama pala namin ngayon is family ni JC and mga friends. So, hindi ko na isa-isayin kasi ang dami namin. Nakikita niyo naman sa video. So, yun. Ngayon, nagpapak na sila. Naglilipat ang gamit. Si sick girly. Sick girl. Stisha, where are we going? We're gonna have our breakfast here. Come to mommy. Go, go, go. Ah, nakamukha ka. Nakamukha ka. Wow, dami fish. Fish, fish, fish. Lapit ka sa fish. Lapit ka sa fish. Wow. Wow, fish. Wow. Hi, Waffle. Waffle.
Blue, magano ka nga.
Hindi ako gusto ako.
Kilala ka ha?
Thank you, Ella. Mga ganun pa lang kaway, no? Parang matanda.
Lost in the skies near the abyss, my mind takes flight. The echoes pulsating, setting the stage for the night. Galactic melodies guide me through the unknown. In this abstract hip-hop song, I feel at home.
Yung tour.
Navigating the depths like a jazz.
Hi! Girlies. Ay, ganda yung girlies. Hi guys, so update. It's 11:34 a.m. and now we're finally here at Katmon campsite. Nandito kami sa room. By the way, hindi nga pala ako nakapag-update kanina. So, nag-breakfast kami sa balkonahe sa Pililla Rizal. So, ngayon nandito na kami. Finally, grabe yung biyahe. So, tulog sa station, dito ako sa room. Yung lahat sila nandito sa labas. Hagardo. Birthday boy. Sana malamig.
Mababa ito eh. Wala mo nakukunan dito. Sa inyo, wala kayong ulan.
Hi guys, I'm with Stisha. Hello, mami. Look mo. Wow. Kiss mami. Kiss mami.
Sa boy, parang si Nina
Wait! Wait.
Cute, binili ko yan eh. Nadala ko.
Kasha na.
Kasha na.
Hi guys, good afternoon. So, nag-freshen up na ako and change outfit ko. Because later yun, parang pinaka-birthday celebration ni Jericho. So, yung mga handa niya is ngayon dinner namin yan. Siyempre, magpipicture taking. Dito ako sa duyan. Stacia! Hi! Look here. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Brother John, morning bus ring, morning bus ring. Ding ding dong, ding ding dong. Show. Ano yan? Vlog. Ano ang tawag? Sis.
Trip hop moves wrap around my very being. Four place rhymes.
Hi guys, it's my first time cooking chicken.
Cooking
You can call me cooking ina. First, you
Sigot na mga girls.
and you baliktad.
Down my
shrimp
room.
and fried chicken.
Hey! Sabakis! Kiss! Sabakis! 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 Sisi! 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 Sabak! Kiss! Kiss! Okay, kiss! 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 Hey! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Para sa sarili mo, wish mo, para sa sarili mo. Wish. Para sa sarili.
Simula na ng pagbabago.
Ate Ace, happy birthday! Wow ha. Wow.
Thank you. Yun! 30 years of my life, kalahati. So, basta tuloy-tuloy lang, mas piling ko. Walang tao dito hindi ko mahal.
Ayaw na sa akin, nakakaiyak.
Happy birthday to you. 32 na si JC, 32.
Si Kalbo, Kalbo.
It's rated X. That means you're extra.
Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Brother John, morning bus ring, morning bus ring. Ding ding dong, ding ding dong.
Day 2. We're gonna cook breakfast.
Chef!
Hindi niya na birthday.
Kain, tol.
31 na.
Saan galing, tol? Doon, solid doon, swimming sila.
Dito ka? Let's go, you sit here. Hi guys, kakagising naman si Charlene dahil puyat ko yung bed. Ako nagising ng morning, hindi nagtali na ako sa bed. Eat, mami? Wow, thank you! Yummy po. Bigyan niyo si mami. Thank you so much.
Hi guys, mag-lunch na tayo. Chef.
Ito ang tinatawag na chicken tenders with breadcrumbs. Ito, ordinary.
Tira kanina, tsaka beef steak. Marami soup guys.
Hi guys, update. Picture taking. Tisha. Vlog. Hi. Vlog po. Vlog. Kami na naman na magkakasama. Hello. For the vlog daw, for the vlog. Tisha. Ano, tuwa-tuwa. Anong ayaw mo pa hawak ko? Dali, hindi ka naman Tita Ella. Tita Ella. Wow! Wow, guys! Swimming time! Hindi ka na daw! Dala ka ng bote dyan! Nisha! 1, 2, 3... Swimming, 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 swimming. Jump, 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 jump. Swimming, swimming. Ay, uh-oh. Uh-oh. Babe. Vlog. Hi. Nina. Vlog. Sasagipin siya ng ano yung tatlo. Tisha! Wow! Swimming! Swimming! Cute naman! Halika na! Tisha! Asus! Asus! Ayan na! Ang yabang!
Anak sa tubig eh.
Mermaid ka ba? Mermaid ka?
Halos hindi nakaano yan. Kita mo, bumitaw pa.
Yabang! Digi! Tisha! Come to mommy! Tisha! Kanan lang yan! Hi guys! Swimming time! Dito sa lake. Hi! Kunigilid sila. Ayun si JC. Ayun yung owner ng netong Katmon campsite. Si Kuya Bong. Yun sila. And ito nga pala yung cabin namin. Say siya! Hi! Kunay! 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 Babe! What's this? What's this? Good morning! So, kakatapos lang namin mag-prepare ng breakfast. 10 a.m. check-out na. So, nagre-ready na yung iba. Mal! Outfit of the day. Hi guys! So, check-out time na. Nag-load na sila ng gamit sa kotse. Sulit ang 3 days and 2 nights stay. Kapag gusto nyo pala mag-stay dito, PM nyo lang yung page nila Hotmon Camping Site. I-flash ko na lang dito sa screen. So, update. So, it's 3:31 p.m. and finally we're home. Earlier, nag-lunch pala kami sa Hapchan. Yung iba, umuwi na, nauna nang umuwi. And then, yung mga natira na lang, so makikita nyo sa video. The birthday boy!
Thank you sa mga pumunta tsaka mga nag-greet.
Makikita nyo naman sa vlog yung naging ganap namin. Isang celebration na nga lang pala yung ginawa ni JC kasama friends and family. So, ayun, hindi ako masyado kapag-bongga ng vlog since busy kami ni JC. Syempre, kami yung mas busy dahil nga pagganap niya yung birthday niya. So, ayun, mga clips lang yun, pero sobrang happy. Hindi na masyado na vlog yung iba, pero ang saya naging birthday celebration ni JC with family and friends. So, ayun lang. Thanks for watching! Hi guys, update. So, it's 11:55 and this is surprise natin si Jericho since magka-12 na. And ito yung binili kong kay kanina. Maliit lang kasi bukas may malaki pa siyang cakes. Prepare ko lang guys. Nangigis pa sila dun. Sila sa kwarto ni Stacia. Iniwan ko lang sila. Sinayot lang. Actually, hirap na i-surprise kasi lagi kami magkasama. Super liit ang necklace. Parang cute lang. Kasi hindi naman kami hilig sa cake. Sa mga sweets. Cute niya. Liit lang. Cute size. Tapos, hinakabahan ako. Di ako sanay mong surprise. First time ko ata mag-surprise. Pala first time. Surprise ko na din siya dati sa gift. And by the way, ang gift pala sa kanya is cash na lang kasi mas kailangan. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Look. Low mo na. Wait, Stacia, come here. Stacia, to you, Stacia. Stacia, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Daddy. Ito, Daddy. Wait lang.
Carrying stories I never told.
First time ko mag-surprise. Ay, hindi pala first time. May mga gift na dati. Happy birthday. Stacia, kiss mo. Kiss mo. Look mo. Cake.